Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel where we dive into the coolest gear that's going to level up your life. Today, I'm super pumped to review these psychedelic mushroom-themed sneakers. Trust me, they're a game changer for anyone hunting for the best shoes to run long distance. If you're into running marathons or just long jogs, stick around because this is going to blow your mind. Let's jump right in. In the world of running, finding the best shoes to run long distance can make all the difference between a grueling slog and an exhilarating journey. Enter the psychedelic mushroom-themed sneakers, a bold fusion of vibrant art and cutting-edge performance that's taking the running community by storm. These aren't your average kicks. They're a statement piece designed for runners who crave comfort, style, and endurance. Whether you're pounding the pavement for miles or hitting the trails, these shoes promise to elevate your experience like never before. Picture this. A sleek black background adorned with an array of colorful psychedelic mushrooms in electric blues, hot pinks, vivid greens, golden yellows, and rainbow gradients. From realistic toadstools with intricate gill patterns to fantastical cosmic designs featuring starbursts and glowing effects, these mushrooms bring a sense of movement and energy to every step. But it's not just about the eye-catching aesthetics. These athletic sneakers are built for serious performance. With lightweight construction and breathable mesh fabric, they ensure maximum comfort all day long, keeping your feet cool and dry even during those epic long-distance runs. The lace-up closure offers a snug fit for security, while the high-quality rubber outsole provides superior traction and exceptional durability. No more slipping on wet paths or worrying about wear and tear. You will find the link of the product in the description. Please subscribe to the channel. Why do you need these best shoes to run long distance in your life? Running long distances demands footwear that supports your body, reduces fatigue, and prevents injuries. And these sneakers deliver on all fronts. The molded soles and EVA insoles cushion every impact, absorbing shock to protect your joints during marathon sessions. The mesh upper lining is breathable and comfortable, perfect for exercises, gym workouts, or casual days when you need all-day support. Plus, features like the slip-on styles, flat heel for easy wear, and React foam in the forefoot and midsole make them incredibly user-friendly. Imagine lacing up effortlessly with the removable toggle lacing system and heel pull tab, ideal for quick transitions from travel to training. The textile fly knit mesh upper with synthetic suede overlays moves seamlessly with your feet, thanks to its high elastic stretch and perforations at the outsole for that sporty, casual vibe. These shoes benefit runners by combining ultimate comfort with top-tier performance. The EZ Shoes design, featuring a fly-knit upper and Phylon Plus rubber outsole, ensures you're not just running, you're gliding. Lightweight and breathable, they minimize blisters and overheating, which are common pitfalls in long-distance running. Why is this needed? In today's fast-paced world, where endurance sports are more popular than ever, runners deserve gear that fuels their passion without holding them back. These sneakers address the pain points of traditional running shoes. They're more durable, more stylish, and engineered for exceptional traction on any terrain. You will find the link of the product in the description. Please subscribe to the channel. But why should you choose these over the rest? Simple. They're better than anything you'll find on Zasov. While other brands offer bland, cookie-cutter options that prioritize function over flair, or vice versa, these psychedelic mushroom sneakers blend whimsical design with pro-level features like seamless, high-elastic uppers and loop eyelets for a streamlined look. No more settling for boring whites or blacks. Stand out with neon mushrooms that turn heads at races or on the street. Competitors on Zasov often skimp on breathability or durability, leading to quick breakdowns after a few hundred miles. Not these. Custom handmade with superior materials, they outlast the competition, providing value that justifies every penny. And with threadline colors in sleek black or white, the design stays cohesive and professional. Ready to transform your runs? Don't just run, conquer distances with style and ease. Grab your pair today and feel the difference. Your feet will thank you. Request? Hit that like button if you're convinced. All right, folks, that's my take on these epic sneakers. If you enjoyed this review, smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more awesome gear breakdowns. You will find the link of the product in the description below and let me know in the comments. What's your go-to running shoe? Peace out, see you in the next video.